Hello, my money makers. What if I tell you that there is a way you will create your Bible inspirational or prayer channel? It will get more views. Please, I'm not capping. I came across this particular channel called One Bible Verse. After reviewing this channel, I noticed something about this channel. This channel talks about personal encounter, personal testimony, spiritual encouragement, and practical application of scriptures. Now, one strategy that this channel uses is that it hits a specific pain points when dealing with financial struggles of individuals, their spiritual welfare, and so on. The channel only posted 10 videos, has gotten 56k subscribers. Take a look at this video.
Now, you're wondering if God still wants you, still loves you, still hears you. You feel unworthy to even pray, like you blew your chance again. If that's you right now, this message...
Now, one good thing about this niche is that you can actually monetize it in different ways. You can decide to sell polos, t-shirts that has this kind of phrase, fear not, God is with you, and so on. So if I were you, I won't be thinking about monetization. I'll be thinking about growing my audience, because once you have an audience, you can sell Christian books, you can sell Christian magazines, you can sell Christian e-guides, you can sell different templates, you can sell different products, and there is room for an affiliate programs here. You can join different affiliate links that relate to this your background, to this your niche, and still be making money from it. Another way you can also make money is that you can also promote a brand and still make money. This niche is a perfect niche for you to start, okay? It will only take us 4 steps to achieve this kind of video. Like I said, it's not difficult, it's not hard. So let's head over to it. First of all, we have to come up with our script, and I've made it so easy for you. You can go to my Google Docs on my WhatsApp channel and have access to my own prompt. So once you go to my prompt, you will see the first prompt. Give me 20. You copy this first prompt. Now look at the prompt very well. I said something. Use this if you want to generate ideas for each team. For instance, you want to generate an idea for spiritual struggles, people that struggle with their spiritual life. You want to generate an idea of Bible verse teaching, and you want to generate an idea under encouragement content. So you have different themes you can choose to develop, but for the sake of this class, I am going to go with this first prompt. It has all these themes together packed. So let's head over to our ChatGPT. We are going to make use of ChatGPT to create this content. Now you go ahead and drop the prompt here. I've already dropped it here. Now it brought out different ideas. You will see a lot of ideas here. I couldn't stop this sin until God showed me this. Breaking free from hidden sin no one talks about. How to overcome temptation when it feels impossible. God, and so on. Now I'm going to copy this topic. I love this topic. Where is God when everything falls apart? I will copy it just this way. Now once you copy the topic that you want to develop, that our first prompt is prompt to get our topics, okay? Remember, it is a prompt to get topic. Now I've copied the topic that I want. Go over to my Google Docs again, just this way. Scroll down. You will see prompt to generate the script. That is, you want to develop the topic. Copy this prompt this way, just like this, and head over to that same chat. Don't open another chat on ChatGPT, the same place, okay? So paste this, paste the prompt, write a long YouTube script for a Christian channel based, and so on. Now this is where you have to insert your title. Okay, that place I wrote insert your video title here. So I have to paste my title here. As you can see, where is God when everything falls apart? The tone should be encouraging, faith-filled, and conversational, and so on. Just go and get the prompt on my WhatsApp channel. You don't want to waste time. Hit generate, and let's see what it will give us. Now, normally, ChatGPT will give you a short script, a short script, so you are the one that will tell ChatGPT to develop it more. Now our script is ready. Now we have to remove the unnecessary parts, copy it and go and drop it on your Google Docs. Remove all the parts that are not the script, okay, like this opening hook, first 10 seconds and so on. And in case if you still want more script, like if you still want it to be very long, keep telling ChatGPT to give you more and more and more. Now we are done removing all the parts that we don't want. We are going to convert this to audio and we are going to make use of Clip Charm. Normally we have different text to audio application, AI applications that you can use. You can use 11 Labs, you can use Dub, you can use Halo AI, that is minimized, and so many of them. But among all these, I recommend 11 Labs because it has more natural voice. And for the contest, we are going to try this Clip Charm and see what it will generate for us. Okay, now this is Clip Charm. Click on try for free. Click on text to speech. Try it. Text to speech. Now you go ahead and paste your script. Clip Charm have done a nice job here and their voice is amazing as well. So go ahead and hit on export. Now as soon as you are done with the audio part, the next stage is to create our images. As you can see, they use different art images. For the image, head back to my Google Docs, just this way. You will see the prompt for image. Go back to ChatGPT, just this way. Still on that same page that you generated the script, drop the prompt, generate an image prompt for Christian YouTube. You insert that topic that you developed here. Now this is our topic. Let's copy it and insert it that place. Paste. We are getting our image prompt now. We are going to make use of Google FX to generate our image. You can see it here, Google Image FX. Open it. Sign in with Google. Now this is it. This is where you paste the prompt that you copied. Paste. Now I want to tell you that the Google Image FX is free. You can use it totally free to generate your images. Now this is what Google FX gave us. Go ahead and download it. Okay, let's go back again to get our image prompt. Let's create another one. Now look at the second image. This is beautiful, very beautiful. You go ahead and download the 3, or if you want you can just download 1. Let's get the next image. This is how you keep generating all the images, all the image prompts. You go ahead and type in Ghibli anime style. Now the next stage is to edit our video, and for this we are going to make use of CapCut. CapCut is my favorite and it's a bit easier to navigate. So before we proceed, we need a background, so we need to get a design for our background. So I'm going to make use of Canva here to get our background design before we continue working on it on CapCut. Just follow me. Go ahead and delete everything here. First of all, I'll have to give it a color here. Get your color. You can use any color of your choice. You can use gradients. It mustn't be their own exactly, so you can just work on it this way. Now as soon as you are done just getting this background, you export, share, download. It will start downloading. Now we are going to go back to our CapCut and import that design as our background. Trust me, the editing is very easy. This is something you have to apply just a little creativity. Now this is our design here. Let's drag it to our editing interface. So you go ahead and import the audio, that script that you generated. Click on import audio. Just this way. We just extracted this audio, the one we generated with Clipchamp, because I noticed that one we generated in Clipchamp is in video format, so I have to extract it. If you click on that import, you see extract audio. So this is it. Now the next thing is to start bringing our images. Go to media again, import. Now select the image. So we are going to reduce the size of this image this way. The next thing is to remove the background. Remove BG, auto removal. The background is removing. Look at it, it says processing. Now the background have been removed. You have to zoom this a bit, just this way. Okay, now you do your right. So when you are creating it, like I say, listen to your audio and work on the editing part adequately. As soon as you are done, you export your video, and that's all. Create your channel, optimize it, give it a name that relates to what you are doing, and start posting. That's all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.